Yeah, that's how passionate I am when it comes to basketball. Even though you're leading or you're losing, so I want them to do what we're supposed to do. And we're so lucky tonight because we have a good start. And then, if you can see it, ano naman, nasabi ni CJ, at the start, meron siyang 4 points agad. And then nasundan pa ni Rosales. And imagine this, these three players, Perez, Jericho Cruz, Celedonio Trollano, guys, they're averaging 18 minutes, but their average point is 20. Okay, and I'm so happy with them because lahat sila pumutok tonight. And then we have parang happy time dito sa basketball na ito. And then nakikita naman natin mga players and even Junmar. So he's not looking to score anymore. He's looking to assist. Maybe napansin niya, malapit na siya mag-triple-double. Kaya nakuha niya yung triple-double. And it's another record for him. But overall, it's a team effort, especially yung bench namin. If you notice, talagang tambak yung first group namin sa second group. 107 points versus 51. That's 60%, 66% ang output namin galing sa bench. And then makikita mo naman during the playoffs talagang inaasahan ko yung bench. And then this is what happened tonight.
Are there any questions?
Congratulations, sir. If nice things after racing your first start, what about going to the long break?
Yeah, before the game, that's what I told to them. Kailangan meron tayong baon bago dumating itong break na ito. And then a lot of them asking a long break, but it's not a vacation, it's a break because our next game will be against Tokentex, and we are not assured of anything yet. In order for us to get into the top 4, which is our target, so we need to have at least 8 wins. So more or less naman, alam naman nila yun. That's why yung break namin, gagamitin namin for us to be consistent and to get into top shape because after our next 4 games, it will be a playoff games.
Ano po yung mga players ko sa FIFA?
Yeah, kinakausap ko na sila, tinatanong ko kailan sila aalis, and then kailan magti-training. I think next Tuesday, mag-start nila training. Jericho will fly to Guam because kalaban ng Gilas Guam and I think magti-training sila doon. And then of course, it's not a vacation naman and more or less alam mo naman nila yung nangyayari sa game. That's why I'm relying more on the bench. And that's why we need to be consistent in what we are doing.
Ano lang parang mindset kung nagbaga na yung sa Miguel, mayroon ba na stay focused kahit tampak na
yun din yung maganda sa amin kasi kahit malaki yung lamang talaga. We're honoring the game. Talaga nag-focus pa rin kami and syempre it's basketball, di natin alam kung anong mangyayari. So hanggat hindi pa natapos yung laro, talaga nilalaro namin yung best natin.
Sino kayo babalik sa training?
Yeah, so I think Monday will be back. I will give them 4 days just to recharge again because those national players will be out there next week. They will be in the training also. But it's habit forming. Hindi kailangan because we need to have a lot of things to do because we anticipated the things the other team is doing because during that more than 2 weeks, I think most of the teams will spend that time to strengthen and to recharge and to get into top shape because going to the playoffs and we don't want to be caught complacent.
DJ, kung magandang lang po ba sinyalis din na ito na magandang yung pagbabalik sa Gilas dahil alam natin last time natin yung
Yeah. I think actually hindi pa naman siya sobrang 100% yung injury pero malapit na. And yun, kapag pagbalik sa Gilas, I'm just gonna do my best na makatulong sa team. And alam ko naman kung ano yung role ko doon. So tutulong lang ako kung ano may tutulong ko talaga doon. And syempre, sabi ko nga, it's basketball, din natin alam kung anong mangyayari. And hopefully maganda yung run namin sa buwan.
Follow-up na rin sa Gilas, makakalaban mo si Jericho Cruz sa qualifiers. Malang tingin mo dun sa matchup nila.
Kinukontrata ko na kung na siya maglaro para mas madali lang. Parang syempre si Jericho iba yung role niya dun parang siya yung talagang tinitignan din ng mga player dun. Yun nga, proud ako dun kasi may iba yung role niya dito and nakakapag-adjust siya sa Guam. So, ayun, yung matchup naman dun, siyempre team effort. Alam naman natin si Coach Tim kung paano mag-prepare sa depensa. So, ayun, hopefully makapag-prepare kami ng maayos and makuha natin yung panalo.
That concludes our post-game press conference.